Hello and welcome to my channel. This is e-commerce series part 4. In previous part of e-commerce series, we listed the e-commerce business models and discussed B2B, B2C and C2B e-commerce models in detail. Please go through my e-commerce series part 3 video if you have not watched it. In this part, we cover the rest of e-commerce business models in detail. Watch this video till the end. Please don't forget to subscribe Let's Try channel. Let us quickly look at the list of e-commerce business models. The types are business to business e-commerce, business to consumer e-commerce, consumer to business e-commerce. These three have been covered in detail in previous video. In this video, we are about to cover remaining e-commerce business models, and they are consumer to consumer e-commerce, business to employee e-commerce, business to administration or business to government e-commerce, consumer to administration or citizen to government e-commerce, administration to consumer or government to citizen e-commerce. It is worth to recall B2B, B2C and C2B e-commerce models in short. B2B e-commerce is the electronic trading of goods and services between two business enterprises. B2C is a kind of e-commerce where the selling and buying of goods and services takes place between a company and an individual consumer. C2B is a type of e-commerce where a consumer creates products and services which are purchased or consumed by a company. Now let us study the fourth type, that is consumer to consumer or C2C e-commerce in detail. What is C2C e-commerce? Consumer to consumer e-commerce is the selling and buying of goods and services electronically between two individual consumers. C2C e-commerce can be considered as a kind of financial transaction between and amongst consumers. When two consumers engage in trading activity without the involvement of any business enterprise, it becomes C2C EC. C2C model is often described as peer-to-peer e-commerce model. This illustration shows the structure of C2C e-commerce. At one part of the C2C will be seller consumers and another part will be buyer consumers. Both take the help of online marketplace for exchanging goods, services and money. Let us dig more into C2C e-commerce. C2C e-commerce needs moderator or intermediary websites or applications that help two customers conduct business between each other. The moderator sites charge for listing products on their websites. The charge will be normally borne by the seller. The intermediary sites are also known as online marketplace. The goal of C2C EC is to build a relationship between consumers, assist them to contact each other and finalize their trading. C2C provides a good platform for individuals to do business without investing more. Let us know more about C2C intermediaries. It is difficult for individual consumers to own a website and sell their own product or service online. It also involves huge investments, tedious web and security management tasks that are not feasible to common man. Hence, consumers need to take the help of third-party intermediary websites and conduct business among themselves. These web platforms provide selling and buying services, promote and bring global exposure to consumers' products and services, give selling advices, provide technical assistance, as well as create a community of sellers. The C2C intermediaries commonly offer services like product auction, classified ads, resolve product or payment issues among consumers, etc. They also issue guidelines to consumers for ethical trading. What are classified ads? Online classified ads are small advertisements posted by an individual person or a small company on intermediary websites. These ads allow consumers to promote their products or services as well as publish their requirements. Websites like Quikr, Craigslist, eBay, OLX Let's Go, Backpage, Oodle, AdPost, Gumtree, Classified Ads, and many others provide classified ad service. Let us look at some instances of C2C EC. A farmer selling groundnut seeds to another farmer through online. One person selling his used car through auction on a C2C platform. A woman selling homemade pickles online to other women. A person paying money to another using a payment app. A carpenter putting ad on a website to sell sofa to the household. In this example, two farmers are engaged in C2C EC. One farmer makes his groundnut seeds appear on the catalog of an online agriculture marketplace. Another farmer puts order on this marketplace and buys the seeds by paying online. Let us look at more instances of C2C. An online education platform linking students with private tutors. An intermediary website connecting consumers who offer hospitality, lodging, homestay, tourism services to other consumers. A website providing platform for consumers to sell handicrafts to other consumers. A ride-sharing company allowing people to give their motorbikes, bicycles, cars on rent to consumers. An intermediary facilitating people to look after pets like dogs or cats of others when they are away from their home. This is another example of C2C EC where an online homestay marketplace hosts homestay facility of a consumer. Another consumer books by paying online and visits the homestay with his family. This page shows some C2C marketplaces. This is C2C product or service selling or auction platforms. And these are some examples of classified ad platforms. Let us move to the fifth type of e-commerce, that is business to employee e-commerce model. Let us know what is B2EEC. Business to employee is a kind of e-commerce where the selling and buying of goods and services takes place between a company and its employee. B2E e-commerce, sometimes known as intranet procurement, generally refers to the fulfillment of employees' requests related to services, products, and information. B2E uses three components, that is online business processes, online people management, and online services. The business transactions that are internal to an enterprise across its departments and subsidiaries come under B2E EC. B2E is an intra-business network model that strengthens the relation between a company with its employees by providing online linkage among them. This helps to improve productivity and efficiency in business processes. In case of multinational companies, the span of business activity spreads across nations. The business processes like online marketing and sales, order processing, intra-organization charging and billing, fund transfer can be managed in B2E or intranet EC. B2E has reduced the administrative burdens of human resources department. It is a semi-commercial model because B2E also involves non-commercial transactions like maintaining information about employees' salary, allowances, deductions, performance indicators, appraisal reports, and allowing online access to employees. How B2E really works. To conduct B2E e-commerce, companies set up an intranet based on TCP/IP protocol system, just like the well-known internet, but limited to the organization and linking its departments. A single URL or web address is used to access the internal web portal through the desktops or Wi-Fi's of all departments and the respective employees. This web portal contains user-friendly interface for employees, providing access to all key sections and the business processes within the organization. Employees access information through proper authentication like password or finger recognition. The B2E portal can be customized to suit the needs of departments and employees. An administrator controls the access permissions for employees. This page shows an instance of how employees in an organization use the B2E portal. Let us know the B2E services offered to the employees. B2E is used to provide training and education to employees through intranets. It is well suited for disseminating corporate information to its employees. It enables employees to purchase supplies from electronic catalogs using desktops. It also provides services such as online insurance policy management, travel packages, and tickets to events. A company can manage special offers and extra benefits offered to the employees. B2E allows employees to access their employee records, to update address information, maintain their internal resume, shift status, check his or her attendance and salary status, providing electronic tools to employees for communication, collaboration, and information discovery. Offering corporate stores on the intranet that sell companies' products to their own employees, usually at concession rate and payment deducted from salary. Let us move to the next type of e-commerce, that is business to administration or business to government e-commerce model. What is B2A EC? Business to administration is a kind of e-commerce where the exchange of services or goods takes place between a business enterprise and a public administrative body such as a government department. In case of B2A, a company delivers products and services to government body, usually in bulk or wholesale quantity. B2A business model is also referred to as public sector marketing. It means marketing products and services to various government ministries and departments. B2A bridges both private sector and public sector. Using the web portals, business enterprises provide variety of software and IT solutions that help government to run its departments such as finance, agriculture, industries, health, law, social welfare, civil aviation, defense, food and public distribution, culture, home affairs, foreign affairs, etc. Companies supply raw materials, machineries, and finished goods to public sector industries. The commercial documents like quotation, purchase order, billing, etc., and even money are transacted through computers and networks. Companies also provide telecommunication, transportation, security, health, and many more services to public administration through B2A e-commerce. This page shows the working of business to administration e-commerce model. Let us look at some instances of B2A EC. IT company providing special software for civil transportation and aviation to maintain traffic in cities, controlling trains and air traffic. Private sugar industry selling sugar to government food department. Private pharmaceutical company selling medicine and surgical instruments to health department. A packaging company providing aluminum foils and blister foils to a government pharmaceutical factory. An aircraft manufacturing company selling civil and military planes to a government. A company providing spectrum telecom services to government wired and wireless network. Let us move to the next type of e-commerce, that is consumer to administration or citizen to government e-commerce model. What is C2A e-commerce? Consumer to administration is a kind of e-commerce where the exchange of goods and services takes place between an individual consumer and a public administrative body such as a government department. In case of C2A, a citizen delivers product, service and information to government body. In C2A, the initiator is a citizen. C2A business model connects a common man to the portals of various government ministries and departments. In C2A, a citizen can request feedback, post concerns about a government policy or scheme, local infrastructure issues, natural calamity, epidemic, etc. C2A provides a means for citizens of a country to check and guide their government. It plays a vital role in policy making and brings transparency, flexibility plus efficiency in public administration. Let us list some instances of C2A. Through C2A, one can conduct e-voting, e-census, e-survey that saves lot of time, money and effort of a government. An individual tutor engaging virtual classes of an online course on behalf of a government education body such as MOOC, Arpit, Swayam, etc. in India. A citizen giving information about a landslide, flooding, local terrain, missed government holiday in a schedule, overlapping central and local government exams or events, a novel and useful idea, etc. Okay, here we come to the last and eighth type of e-commerce, that is administration to consumer or government to citizen e-commerce model. What is A to C e-commerce? Administration to consumer is a kind of e-commerce where the exchange of goods and services takes place between a public administrative body such as a government's department and an individual consumer. In case of A to C, a federal agency delivers product, service and information to a citizen. Hence, in C to A, the initiator is government. It facilitates e-governance. Like C to A business model, A to C also connects the portals of various government ministries and departments to a common man. In A to C, a government department can give information about its policy or scheme, instruct to take measures to ensure good health, issue an order to maintain peace and harmony at a certain place, instruct about road work in progress, announce new traffic plans on account of a festival, etc. A to C provides a means for a government of a country to govern the citizen-oriented services. It plays a vital role in disseminating information relating to government policies, schemes, legal amendments to the common people. Here are some instances of A to C e-commerce. A to C helps a government to collect tax from citizens online. Government allowing their citizens to acquire IDs such as PAN card, voter card, Aadhaar card, driving license, passport, etc. using web portals and kiosks. Government giving construction work to citizens and paying them using administrative website. Government hiring people to manage its scheme through their official websites. Government Food and Public Distribution Department supplying food grains to public through fair price shops using web portals. I hope this video was useful for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share my video. Thank you.